Kung inyo na isurat ang Republic Act number 305 that made Naga as an independent component city. It is at least for that aspect of history that I consider Colonel Juan Miranda as a visionary leader.
I view four pillars as a powerful emblem of our collective legacy, history, and identity.
I wake up every single day like I'm already on my way. I pick the car up from valet. Oh, 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 let me show you how I do it. Yeah, I might be a renegade, but this is how I play the game. And I'm not doing it afraid. Oh, 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 let me show you how I do it. All day, all night, I do it big, living the life. Let's go, let's fly. I do it big, living the life. Big, big life. Like I could do it in my sleep.
Ako ay Pilipino, buong katapatang nanunumpa sa watawat ng Pilipinas.
Oh, let me show you how I do it. It doesn't matter where I am, it's gonna be a show. Let me help you understand, 'cause you don't even know. Get out your seat, come on and dance. Oh, oh, oh. Let me show you how I do it. All day, all night, I do it big, living the life. Let's go.
This site is a part of the township referred to as Pueblo de Naga.
Living that big, big life. When we get together, gonna be good vibes.
At sa inyong interes, sarong patutuo kan importansya na pigdakauta sa marambong na istorya kan sa tuyang syudad.
Staying down low. I'm pushing past the edge. I see the light ahead. Saw the dark side, but the sun is rising. I'm not giving up hope. It's a good day coming. It's a good day coming. It's a good day, sweet like honey. It's a good day coming. Gonna keep on running. Won't stop for nothing. It's a good day. It's a good day.
Part of our charter celebration is the bestowing of due recognition to those who have contributed to the flourishing of Naga as a charter city.
I never forgot. Flipping the script today. I'm going all the way. It's about time. I'm done waiting.
Ada pong banggi sa tuyang ipatronize yung mga produkto at yung mga pagkakan na yang video para sa tuyang enjoyment.
Keep on running. Won't stop for nothing. It's a good day. 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 When we get together, gonna be good vibes. We can
Ang Naga po matindog bilang sarong lugar na magtataguyod kang importansya kan ibang sektor. Kultura, literatura, musika, asin sa iba pa.
It's a good day when we get together. Gonna be good vibes. We can do whatever. Gonna be good. It's a time coming forever. Let's go get that high life. It's on getting better. We can watch the sunrise. We'll make the whole world hear us. So throw your hands up high. We're about to show you why they fear us. Here comes the battle cry.
The new tourism brand funding aims to create noise and attract interest from potential tourists to Naga.
To go down. It's about to get crazy. It's gonna be loud. This is our house. We do what we wanna. We'll blow the roof up. Everybody's coming. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down.
Be it known, duwa kamong alang papel na ginagampanan sa padagos na pag-astuso po kan sa tuyang syudad kan Naga.
Crazy. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down.